can see your face. Marley, get out of the way. Marley.
Can I open it?
Yes.
Marley wants to be in the movie.
I don't even know what it is because I'm looking at it.
Say thank you, Auntie Betty.
Thank you, Auntie Betty.
Oh, Marley caused an avalanche.
Yeah.
What do you think it is, John?
I don't know.
You can look.
Xbox!
Do you like hex bugs?
Yes! And it's a green one that can go
Is that good, John?
So thank you, Auntie Betty.
Thank you,
Bring
Auntie
Look
the
in the
box
camera.
down. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy and say thank you, Auntie Betty.
Thank you, Auntie Betty.
Auntie Betty.
Betty.
John. Merry Christmas, Auntie Betty.
Thank you.
Bye.